All right, this is just a quick demonstration on the Grohe faucet. I have a leaky knob and I'm ready to take it apart. So these don't have any access holes. I just pull it off. And then this part unscrews off. Alrighty. Then I unscrewed this with some vice grips. This comes off. This section pulls off. And then a 17 millimeter wrench to unscrew the cartridge. There's some, I didn't bleed the line there, a little water came out. There's your cartridge right there, and I'll pop in a new one that I picked up. They're about $34 a piece.